Hello everyone. Let's wait for few seconds. Let everyone join. Hello. Hello everyone. Happy Navratri to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. I would like to welcome you for today's live session with Itsy Bitsy Craft Store for topic jewelry making workshop. So myself Chaitrali and I am going to conduct today's session. You can check my Instagram account Art Universe by Chaitra. Here you can find all art related updates of all different types. You can also check my Facebook and YouTube channels for art related tutorials and many more craft related ideas. So to purchase any art and craft raw products, do visit itsybitsy.in and use my coupon code Chaitra 5 to get 5% extra discount on the total amount. So I have used all the itsy bitsy craft supplies you can see on my table. So today I am going to use all these craft supplies and I will show you how to create this beautiful jewelries using all the craft materials. So most important announcement that most of people might know that Itsy Bitsy National Art and Craft Contest is going on. It the prize is worth rupees 5 lakhs and that will be given to over 150 winners. This competition is for 14 art categories, so you can participate in any art category. The duration of this art contest is from 8th of September till the 17th of October. You can check out the Itsy Bitsy channel. You will get all the information, rules, how to do things. Also, rules are highlighted, are given in the highlights of the Itsy Bitsy Instagram channel. So do share your all the art and craft products with us, final artifacts. Click the nice pictures with the raw materials which you have received from the Itsy Bitsy and do share with us so that we can share that on our channel as well. For today's session, let's get started. I hope everyone is in. So here is my collection which I've created using Itsy Bitsy products. So first of all, I would like to show you this beautiful necklace. This is the bracelet. See, this is how we wear. So this bracelet, again this earrings and this beautiful necklace I have made using this beads. These are the silver beads and these are the red beautiful rose beads. So these are really beautiful. To make bracelet I have used this elastic wire. Okay, so these earrings again I have made using these beads. These earrings I have made using these beads and there are many more. I have used this colored craft wire. I have gold. I have used this to make the necklaces, the in between wire. Also, I would like to show you some more beads. These are the blue color coffee shaped beads. Then these are the wooden beads. These are the mixed media silver pendants. I use it usually as a pendant. These are the some black beads. These are the hooks which we use for the jewelry necklace. These are the blue pearls. These are the flowers, gold flowers which we use in between of the jewelry like this. This is the gold pendant. I have one, I will show you. These are the pearls in a different size. Again, this is earring hoop. These are the earring stuff. You can make or place your earring on this, and this is the wire. This is the red cord. You can use this for jewelry making. Just give me a sec. I'm taking it off the table. Again, to make this silk thread jewelries, look at this. So to make this all jewelries, this bangle I have made using this itsy bitsy silk threads. You can get lovely colors in the shop. All are available on the site as well. There are so many colors you can buy from the itsy bitsy. So these are few samples I have made to show you. I'm gonna teach you how to make all things. I will show you necklace and earrings. Look at this, the beautiful colors, all colors are available. You can make any combination using these beads and these silk threads. So I'm taking this off as well. I will show you how to make one bead necklace and one silk thread jewelry necklace. Most important, we need this tool set. If you don't want to buy the all set of 6 tools, then you can get single on the itsy bitsy channel as well. I have this 6 pieces, and trust me, this is really very useful. All kinds of jewelries you can make using these tools. Let me show you. This is available on the itsy bitsy. See, these are really cute and very handy. So this is a amazing cover where you can put all your tools. It's very easy, you can like take it anywhere. Again, this is a Deco Magic fabric glue which I used with this silk threads to stick them, because it has a really great quality and I can trust it. This is the tiger tail wire. This is also used for the jewelry making. So these are the some jewelry essentials. Let me show you what are they. So I have this collection. These are having all the silver and gold earring related essential things, like this we used while making earring. These are the hoops, like this. There are so many stuff inside. We are gonna use this. So I have one more collection for you. So now we are going to make one necklace using these beads. So this is one pendant. These are blue beads. Look at the effect of the beads. It's really very nice, and these are beads. Okay, so let's get started with the today's session. If you have any question, do paste it in the comment section. I will answer you later. So I am taking this colored craft wire. You can take any length you want. It's totally depends on you. See, this is how you can cut it. It's your preference. If you want to use thread or any cord, you can use, but I prefer this wire. Depends on the actual project you want to do. So as of now I have just made it like this. I'm taking off this. You can check Itsy Bitsy, it has really nice collection of all the beads. I'm just loving those. I have few, I'm gonna take some more. Look at the texture, lovely texture it has. Okay, so let's start making. So it's your choice how you want to decorate or make your. I'm adding each bit one and one alternatively, so I will get a nice texture. So look at this. This is how it's looking. I want this complete. I'm also opening this one. Look at this pendant. This is not really very heavy, this is lightweight, so you can easily carry. These two you can use to make earrings. So this is how you can just add your beads and make sure how you long want you. So if you have any question, you can add in the comment section. I will answer all this question at the end of this session. As of now I am focusing on the jewelry making. So there are so many alternatives to use this color, but you can get into the color as well. It's totally up to you how you want to proceed. Some like cords, so yes, the cords are also available. I use wire because it really looks nice. I mean evenly and around your neck, so yeah, I go for it. So look at this. This is how it's looking. Now I am adding this pendant. One more bit and the pendant. So this is, it has holes, so it's really very easy. Look at this, how beautiful it's looking. It's looking amazing. So you can keep adding. It's really very easy to make jewelry using this beads. When you have all the materials with you, you can just make it fast. Make such jewelries and do participate in the art and craft contest and win these so many prizes. You can visit the shop offline, online. Also the Etsy Bitsy application, it's also live, so you can install that and you can do shopping using that app. Don't forget to use my coupon code Chaitra5. You will get extra 5% discount. So this is how it's turning out. I hope you guys are liking it. Share your comments, guys. It will help me. I love this combination. This is looking superb. Okay, so my last bead. Now I'm just sorry. Okay. So this is how my necklace is looking like. Look at it. I hope you guys are loving it. So now can take anything from this. This is how you can make a simple earring which will suit on this. This is how it will turn out. The same way I am preparing another one. I hope you guys can listen me. So this is how quickly you can make any jewelry with these tools and all the material. Let me show you how to make a bracelet as well. So I'm taking okay, so this much. So make sure you keep other end with you and just keep adding the all beads the way you want it. I guess you guys are loving this beautiful necklace. So we are making complete set so that you can wear it nicely. You can keep on adding all the beads. The finishing of these beads is really very nice. The colors are also amazing. The texture, everything is just perfect. You can make this jewelries, you can gift or keep it for you. See, in one packet you can make one complete set. Like I have made earrings as well as the necklace and the bracelet too. So the same way you can make it. So I have started with this bit, but I am ending with this just because I'm gonna tie this, and as this is elastic you can just stretch out and make a take both together and make a nice yes. Okay, then cut this extra part. Here you go. So this is how your beautiful bracelet is also ready. So I hope you guys are loving it. This is how these earrings are. This is so let's make another one. Now this was the bead. I hope this is completely visible. You can use these hooks or at the back side, or this one here. It's up to you how you want. This is how it will look. So I'm taking this aside and let's make another one. So next is silk thread jewelry. So for that I'm taking this thread. I will show you how to make beads using these threads. So to make thread I'm taking this black beads. These are the wooden beads. Okay, so if you look at the bead, you can see there is a small hole and the threads got stuck inside it. So just take your scissor, one side of the scissor, and just roll it. So you will see some particles will come out. It is a really important and necessary step, because if you start working without doing these steps, then you will end up having your thread stuck inside the bead. So make sure your whole of the bead is like quite big, so that you can work nicely with it. So this, so just make sure this is clean enough. So like this I have made. It's quite big. Okay, so this is really very first step. You can use plastic beads as well, but just make sure that this is the hole is large enough. I have used plastic as well as the this wooden, but I love wooden because the sticking of it is really nice. I have used this ply which is 6 inches long. So I'm taking this glue, one stick, scissor, and let me show you how to make it. So let's just hold one side of thread and start rolling. I am making 14 to 15 rounds. So depends on your bead size. As this is a small bead, 15 is enough. If your bead is big, then you can take 20, 25, 30 rounds. So this is how we are gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have made 15 rounds. Then cut it. Okay, make it even, and I am using this glue. It's totally depend on you which glue you want to use. You can actually use any craft glue, but as this is a thread, I prefer fabric glue so that I won't mess up after use or with the water anything. So just glue one end, then take another thread like this, another end of the same bunch like this, and make all even, and then again stick other end as well. So these are the two ends. Now take this bead. Okay, so this is how you can stick one end into this bead and just press it nicely so that it will stick inside it. I hope you guys can see it properly. So this is how it is. Let it dry, let it stick for a moment. So in the same way I have made this beads. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. You can use any color, basically this is my favorite, but yes, you can use any color of your choice. So many color options are available with Itsy Bitsy. Now we can start rolling it. So yeah, just make sure that this is dry completely. Now take your bead into one hand and keep thread in the another hand and start rolling it. So take one end, just okay. So this is how you're gonna make a complete bead. Push from here, take it out again. Make sure you're covering all the sides. So this is how, as your bead hole is big, then you won't face any issue, but if it is small, then you won't be able to take out the thread, and also some threads will stuck inside. So make sure your whole of the bead is quite big so that you can work fastly. Initially this process will take time, but once you practice it, then you will be expert. It needs lots of patience, but yes, the output is amazing. So this is my last round, so I'm just I will show you how to stick it. If you need any help, you can use needle or any toothpick or anything to press. So this is how it is. So now let's stick it. Make sure you are taking very little glue. You can use this remaining thread for any other project, and use really little glue so that it won't mess up with your finishing. And just sorry and just place everything nicely. So this is now let it dry properly. Okay, so now again I am taking a thread, this craft wire, see with the tools it's really very easy to cut, to press. I hope you guys are understanding these steps. You have, if you have any query, any small query, then just see, this is how you can add the hook side. Okay, now this is another bead collection Itsy Bitsy have. This is again a beautiful collection. Okay, so look at the beads, the texture and design it has, it's really very nice. We can also use okay, so let's get started with this. So we can actually insert, I'm at the beginning I'm inserting 4-5 beads which will go at the back side of the necklace. Five, six, sorry, 6 and 7. Okay, so after this I'm adding each alternatively. So this is how it's gonna look. I hope you guys are loving it. You can add beads as per your choice. You can check so many ideas like how you want to arrange it. You can also choose as per your costume, any dress you want to wear. This looks really great. You can make earrings. You can check my profile, Art Universe by Chaitra. There are so many ideas available. I have posted all my silk thread jewelry collection on it. So you will love it. I'm sure you're gonna make this beautiful jewelries, and you will participate into the art and craft contest. Do participate there. Share your photos, ideas with us. You will win prize. You can add a pendant in between if you want to. um, I just made this one using pendant, so I thought that let's keep it without any pendant. So choice is yours. You can add any pendant or charms in it. It will look really very nice. So now I'm just ending up, so I will add more 7. Three, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You can cut extra wire. Okay, so this is how second one is looking. You can just use this. Now let's make another earring using this hoops. I will show you how to make it. So first open it, make it straight so that you can add your beads inside. So 1, 2 and 3. Choice is yours, how you want to design. I'm just adding as per my preference in the way I want to wear. So this is how it will look. You can also make earring like this. I will show you how. I hope you all are enjoying today's session and you will make jewelry, you will participate. So yes, this is how you can make. You can also try something else. I'm just showing you one sample. You can make anything of it, and this is the hook I'm gonna use now. So just bend it, add your hook, and this is how it will look. So I hope you guys are loving this silk thread jewelry and the beads jewelry. This is for today. If you have any questions, just do let me know. I'm just checking. I'm gonna start checking comments so that I will answer your all queries soon. So these are all samples are available for you. You can follow any of these, or you can make jewelry by your own and you can check out. So let me answer your queries now. So this is the close-up view. Okay, so I have used this craft wire for this necklace. I have used this, I have made two hoops, but one I used to lock the hoop and another with, you can see like this. So this is how it is looking like. You can use different beads. So you can check itsy bitsy craft store for all the beads. I am using colored craft wire of 8.8 mm and 3 meter long. My Insta page is Art Universe by Chaitra. The same you can check out on the Facebook as well as the YouTube. The thickness is 0.8 mm of this wire. This is the craft wire, this is thick one. If you have any queries, you can also message me. Yes, you can use nose pillar as well to make the round. each tool can be used for jewelry making. So length you can take as per, I mean, your choice. Like, so a few people love the neck pieces which are directly touching their neck. Some prefer long, so you can prefer the size that how long you want. Usually people like the short ones, so I have shown you short as well as one long. You can also use thread, this cord for jewelry making. I prefer this wire, craft wire, so I have shown you. But yes, it's as per your interest. So this is the elastic wire. If you want to see, this is a 0.5 mm and 10-meter long. So this is all I have used, the craft tools. These are some materials I have used, then these are the tools. All the beads and these wires, these tools are from the Itsy Bitsy craft store. You can find it online or any offline shop. So thank you so much everyone for joining today's session. If you have any queries, do let me know. And yes, do follow my Instagram account, that is Art Universe by Chaitra. You can also check out my Facebook and YouTube channel for all the art related updates and tutorials. Thank you so much for joining today's session, and do let me know your views. If you have any queries, DM me, I will surely reply you. Do participate in the art and craft contest which is organized by Itsy Bitsy, and share your all the articles with us. Thank you. Bye bye.